The First Amendment Encyclopedia by Artemus Ward. Head Santera Carmen Pal leads a Santeria service in Haile, Florida in 1987. Members of the Lukumi Babalu'i Church held their first service in the parking lot of the property owned by the church's priest after the church was denied an occupancy permit due to their practice of animal sacrifice. The Supreme Court later said the city ordinance prohibiting animal sacrifice violated the First Amendment and targeted the religion. The Supreme Court addressed the constitutionality of animal sacrifice for religious purposes in Church of the Lukumi Babalu'i v. City of Haile, 1993, voting unanimously to strike down a set of local ordinances prohibiting the practice because they specifically targeted the Santeria religion. At the same time, the court continued to be divided over the appropriate test to determine the constitutionality of free exercise claims. Santeria combines elements of Roman Catholicism and some African religious practices. It originated in West Africa, and adherents brought it to Cuba during the slave trade and then to the United States following the Cuban Revolution. Some Santerian practices animal sacrifice as part of their religious ritual and belief. They cut the throats of chickens, goats, sheep, and turtles, which are often then eaten later as part of religious ceremonies involving weddings, births, and deaths. Animal cruelty laws could be an issue in future. Justice Blackmun, in his concurrence, explained that one day the court would have to decide the issue of animal sacrifice for religious purposes under a statute that met the neutrality test. A harder case would be presented if a religious group were requesting an exemption from a generally applicable anti-cruelty law. The result in the case before the court today, and the fact that every member of the court concurs in that result, does not necessarily reflect the court's views of the strength of a state's interest in prohibiting cruelty to animals. The number of organizations that have filed briefs on behalf of this interest, however, demonstrates that it is not a concern to be treated lightly. Lukumi Babalu was initially an easy case because the ordinances were written so poorly. The court has not yet revised the issue of animal sacrifice.